I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me some.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I am bringing y'all this really bomb makeup look. Like, this turned out so freaking good. It turned out so much better than I expected, and I know you've seen them slow-mo clips at the beginning. The detail that is in this look, like, this look turned out so freaking good, and especially for it to be a like full cut crease. I am not the best at full cut crease, and I be practicing and stuff, and clearly my practice has paid off. Like, this looks so freaking good. So before we even hop into this video, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below some more videos you'd like to see from my channel. And I am so freaking happy to be back. Your girl was having some technical difficulties, but it's okay. We got everything together, and hopefully, I know I say this every time, but hopefully this time I am back for good, because your girl is about to be grinding and putting out content for y'all and putting out looks, because your girl has really been missing doing makeup. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit the bell notification so you are notified every single time I upload a video, and you will become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, as you should. So I know y'all are tired of me rambling. This intro is kind of long, but let's go ahead and get into the video. So I am so freaking happy to be back filming. Y'all don't know how happy I am, because I've been going through some issues, some technical difficulties, some time management issues, but we got it together. We got it together. We gonna make it work, whether it want to work or not, and that's just that on that. But we about to go ahead and hop into this eyeshadow look. First, we about to be hopping into the James Charles palette, and I'm about to be taking the black shade in here. So now I'm about to go into the Vivid Rain Vivid Pigments eyeshadow palette, and I'm about to take this shade right here called Neo Blue. So next I'm gonna be taking this shade right here called Drip Drop. So now I'm about to be taking some Vaseline to go ahead and cut my crease, and then when I get done with that, I'll be going in with the P. Louise base, and this is in the shade Touch of Frost. Now I'm about to go into my blank canvas Acid Rain paint, and then I'm going to cut it again, and I'm going to take this Acid Rain paint in Nitro. base, and this is in Rumor 1. Go into the Be Perfect Stacey Marie Carnival palette, and I'm about to take these two greens, and what I'm gonna do is like a gradient. So I'm gonna take the black that's in the James Charles palette, those two greens, and yeah, we're gonna do like a gradient type of effect. I don't know, it's gonna be real cute, y'all. Let's see. So I am finally at the part where I say we are done with the eyes for now, but I'm about to go ahead and take some micellar water and wipe off all of this fallout, and then after that I'll be going in with primer. And for primer, I'll be taking the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas, and y'all, I have fallen in love with this primer. It is so freaking good, and I'm kind of sad because it's so expensive. Like, y'all knew what y'all was doing with this one. Y'all knew what y'all was doing. So for foundation, I'm going to be taking the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and this is in the shade 460 Sue W. And then for cream contour, I'll be going into the Juvia's Play Stick, and this is in the shade Zambia, which I've really been liking to cream contour. Like, recently it has just been making my makeup look so freaking bomb, so I'm like, let me start incorporating this into my makeup like a lot. And then for concealer, I recently picked up the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I've been really wanting to try this, and it's only $6, which I didn't know that it was only $6, but yeah, I've been seeing a lot of good reviews on this concealer, so I'm like, let me pick it up and try it. But the shade I got is Medium Sand. Cream contour, I'm gonna be going into the Morphe Glamour Bronze, and this is in the shade Leader. And then to bake, I'll be taking my Anastasia setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. So then to set the rest of my face and kind of meet that bacon, that contour, I'll be taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade C8. And then I'll be going into my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. So for blush, I'm about to be going into the Saharan palette, and this is volume 1. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. And then for highlighter, I actually got sent a few products, which I used a brow pomade, but it is from Renee Effects Cosmetics. And y'all, this is this highlighter palette, and it is so freaking pretty. And as you can see, I did swatch these shades, and y'all can already see how metallic and sparkly they are. So first I'm gonna be taking this shade up here, and then I'll be going on top of that with this one. I'm about to put Limelight into my waterline. And now I'm about to go into these. These are from the Narcissist collection in the shade, talking about shade like it's a lip gloss or something, in the style Tokyo. And I'll make sure to link these down below, because yeah, these right here are so freaking bomb. And I've worn these a couple times, but every single time they hit. And I definitely got to order some more, because yeah, these are super bomb and fluffy. And y'all gonna see them when I put them on. Like, they got to look so cute with this look. For lip liner, I'll be taking the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Downtown Beauty. And then for lipstick, I'll be going into the Anastasia lipstick, and this is in the shade Peachy. And then for gloss, I have two different glosses. So I'll be taking first the Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss, and this is in the shade White Cherry. And then on top of that, I'll be taking the Anastasia gloss, and this is in the shade Luna. look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below some more videos you would like to see from me. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to become a real MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I upload a video, because sis, why would you want to miss another video? Like, this look turned out so freaking bomb. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another bomb look. And yeah, you already know what your girl is about to say. And if you don't, make sure you go watch some more videos. But if you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And if you're watching this, make sure you comment down below and say, I'm a real MVP because I made it to the end of this video, like, period. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.